Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the bug bounty hunting tools. So let me write here bug bounty hunting tools, that is known as BBHT. So I'm going to show you that how we can install it, right? And there are a lot of tools under this bug bounty hunting. You will find your reconning tools such as subfinder, sublister, NuckPy, mass DNS, and lot of more. So this particular tools is going to be very helpful for reconning the things, reconning the subdomains and finding which subdomains are vulnerable. Also finding those subdomains for checking whether there is any some other bugs, let's say maybe SQL injection, XSS, or maybe other one. Right, so let's start, and this session is also will be very helpful for the subdomain takeover vulnerability. So make sure that before doing that session, make sure that you have completely installed that BBST, because that is going to be very helpful for that. Okay, so let me start BBST, and I'm going to start from here. Let's start with google.com. So this is Kali Linux. I'm going to install it in Kali Linux, and okay, let me maximize it somewhere so that you can see that. Okay, it is already 130%. Great. I guess that is enough. Okay, so namsec BBST. Let's see if it is showing. Yeah. So you can see the one of the GitHub, it is showing the tool. You can directly go through that one. Meanwhile, I'm opening terminal. Great. So now you can see here, you can directly go here. So what you need to do, you need to just copy these things. So firstly, what you need to do, firstly, you need to git clone this one, right? And click cd bbst chmod plus x install.sh, and at last install those things from .install.sh. So once you will just write this command in Kali Linux. So let me, okay. Okay, how it is, zoom in. Control plus plus I'm doing, but it is not happening. Okay, not a problem. Okay, one or two times more. Okay, now you can see, I guess. Great. So just paste here, Control Shift V. So once you will paste here, you will check that, yeah, you can download in your downloads. I have downloaded in my downloads. So let me check you this here. So once you will just run this one command, it is going to be download this tool, right? Once it will download, what will happen, you need to install that. How you will install it? So just go in that cd bbst, right? You can write ls command, right? So this you can see install.sh, it is showing in this way, but before that, after it will show, you need to give the permission. I hope you remember, I have already tell you these classes in my YouTube channel cybersec live, that how you can give the permission. So here you can give the permission with the help of chmod plus x and install.sh. Once you will give that permission to that, and it will install like that, install.sh. And at the last, once you will complete this install.sh, your tool will be downloaded. Where it will be downloaded? So let me show you that one. Okay, cd ls. Great. So under the home, you can see here there is a tools, right? So in the this is the tools will be download after giving those commands. These commands git clone cd bbst, and you can see these are the some tools which is going to be download. Directory search, JS parser, NockPy, Lazy, S3, Recon profile, SQL map dev, sublister, virtual host discovery, WP scan, which is one of the very important, mass DNS, ASN lookup. So if you remember, we didn't need to install these commands one by one, correct? So that's one of the great thing from my side, that you can directly install this tool, and these are the program which is going to be automatically going to install. So you might face some problem while installing these things, because it will ask for some update, ask for some upgradation. So make sure that you have a proper internet connection, and it might take 4 hours, 5 hours. Maybe if you have a very good internet speed, then it definitely is going to be installed in within 1 hour or 2 hours. So keep patience, because it will ask again and again for your Kali Linux password, and you will need to enter it. Okay, so let's move in that tools, that what we have already downloads. See here, ls. Okay, so you can see here we have installed ASN lookup, JS parser, lazy. So now you can directly go in any of the things, and you can run it. So let's say I'm just giving you example that how to run the sublister 3, right? So this is one of the best tool to recon your subdomains. So sublister we have ls, right? Let me something middle in that. Okay, let's say, yeah, now that's cool. Okay, so now how to run? You can run by sublister like this one. So what it is asking for, file sublisted line 21 home. Okay, so it is showing something error, right? So let's say let's run it with the Python, right? So let's Python sublister 3.py. Is it working? No, it is not working. Okay, so Python default is Python 2, but let me show with the Python 3 if it is working. Python 3 sublister hyphen okay, let's enter this one. Great. So it is running with Python 3. So you need to install that Python 3 if you don't have, definitely. But while installing this BBHT tool, it will automatically ask those things, and you need to just enter that. So don't worry about that. It will automatically install. Now, what you can do with the sublister 3? You can do a lot of things. You can go for the hyphen h, that uh, how you can recon the subdomains, right? And with the help of this one, let me hyphen d, and let's give some of the domain name. Okay, google.com is very big. Okay, let's say nokia.com. How about it? Nokia.com, correct? So it will, you can see searching in Baidu, Yahoo, Google, being asked. There are different lots of different open sources from where it is taking all the things and collecting information regarding Nokia.com. So error var Aristotle probably now is blocking our request. Not a problem. But in this way, this is the way to collect all the subdomains. It might be some, yeah, so it was taking some time. Now we can see we have a lot of domains, right? So this is one of the good way. And if you want to save this file, that's very easy. Generally, I use Subfinder and Sublister 3. That's why I'm telling you these two install. But if you want, you can say AMAS or mass DNS, then you can also use that. NockPy is there, right? There are a lot of tools, and you can learn about those things, and make sure that, yeah, there is something you are learning with those tools, and definitely that is going to be a very helpful for your recon. And many of the, I can say, those who are very good hackers, they always use those tools. Okay, so how you can save this file? Very simple, -o and nokia.txt. Let me. So you can save this file in this way. This is one of the method to save this file. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes if it is completing. So one of the good thing of sublister is that it is very fast. It is faster than subfinder. Okay, so if you can see, we have nokia.txt. Here it is. Now you want to see the uh, things in that. So just nokia.txt, and you can see here we have. So cat command is used for checking if there is anything written in the file or not. I hope you understand that how we can install these things. Also, I will just share all those resources that how you can install in a file. So these are the things which is okay. Let me just copy that and give you as a resource so that uh, you can remember it, right? So step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, I'm very bad at document. Git clone, git. Okay, great. Let me save this as BBHT installation txt. Great. Next up. So that's it in this video, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.